Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Ascend Mate, and let me share with you how to hard reset your device with the usage of the settings. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and here let's tap on Backup and Reset. It should be in this All section. So let's tap on it and tap on Factory Data Reset. Here we've got the information what this data reset will include basically, so the Google account, the apps and apps data, etc. You can also erase internal storage such as music and photos, it's up to you, and then simply tap on Reset Phone. Here we've got also the information that you cannot reverse the section, so just tap on Reset Phone and basically your device will right now will be turned off, and you have to wait until this operation will be finished. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.